For the HVAC, refrigeration, and thermal processing industry, reliable production equipment is the core foundation of stable product quality and efficient production efficiency. We are a professional and specialized manufacturing factory focusing exclusively on the research, development, design, and production of evaporator and condenser processing and production equipment. With years of deep cultivation in the refrigeration accessory equipment manufacturing field, we have accumulated rich industry experience and mature manufacturing technology, always adhering to strict production standards and precise processing requirements to build high-quality industrial equipment for customers worldwide. Our factory maintains a stable monthly shipment capacity of about 100 sets of various evaporator and condenser manufacturing equipment. From raw material cutting and precision welding to assembly debugging and factory quality inspection, every production link is strictly controlled by our professional production and quality management team. Stable production capacity, sufficient inventory reserve,